What is an automatic stay in bankruptcy? Let's talk about it. Hi, I'm attorney Leroy Roberson back again, and this video is going to highlight one of the coolest things about bankruptcy and one of the biggest reasons a lot of people decide to file bankruptcy, and that's the automatic stay. And what the automatic stay is, and it's whether you file a Chapter 7 or a Chapter 13 bankruptcy, it's a court order that gets put in place that prevents most collection activities that would be against you. That includes any foreclosure proceedings, any eviction proceedings, any bill collectors that may have court actions set against you where you have hearings or maybe you have a judgment that they're trying to collect on. All of those actions are stayed the minute you file for a bankruptcy. And like I said, it's whether it's a Chapter 7 or a Chapter 13. Now, there are few situations where that automatic stay won't kick in depending on what type of things you're going through. And I'm going to just briefly read that list. So if you fall into one of these categories, just know that automatic stay will not come into place. And those are certain tax proceedings that you may be involved in, support actions. So if you owe for child support and there's actions against you for that, the automatic stay won't kick in. Criminal proceedings, whether you're going to jail or maybe you have money owed from criminal proceedings, not going to kick in there. Loans from a pension. So if you have a loan on your pension and you're paying it back and you file for bankruptcy, they will be able to still keep collecting on that loan. And if you have multiple filings, and this one has tricked up a lot more people. So if you file more than one bankruptcy within 1 year, then that automatic stay does not go into effect. In fact, it only goes into effect for the first 30 days unless you petition the court in order to continue or extend that stay. So those are the situations where the automatic stay doesn't kick in. Now, I want to briefly talk about something because some creditors, depending on what's gone on with you, can file what's called a relief from stay motion. And that's if you've committed fraud or maybe you're behind. Let's say you have a car loan and you haven't made your payments for a long time, and then you file for bankruptcy and they're saying, well, no, we should be able to get that car back because you're not making payments on it. They can file what's called a relief from stay motion in order to get access to come and repossess your car. But they have to file that motion first in order for the court to give them permission, and you can fight against it if you don't feel that the stay should be lifted for whatever reason. So that's it, guys. It's a really important thing that happens with bankruptcy is the automatic stay. So if you have any questions about it, feel free to let me know and we can talk about it in more detail. If not, I will definitely see you guys on the next video. Have a great day, guys.